lights fade, I hear the storm, echoes of pain that once were warm. Through every punch I lost my way, but I still fought to see the day. In the puddles glow, I see my face, a broken kid lost in this place. Though the wounds still burn, I remain, carrying memories washed by rain. And rivals stay, some forget, some fade away, but the fire inside won't ever die. Even in the dark I'll touch the sky. Felt the cold street under my hands, still I rise, still I stand. Even tired I'll face the fight, dreaming of a softer the time won't prepare. In the school of pain I learned to love, bleeding below, still dreaming above. Rain falls, I close my eyes, feel the weight of all goodbyes, but I know this fight made me grow a wounded soul that still can glow. Scars in the scars in the rain.